Now, second theory of evaluation was Lambertism. The Lambertism was a scientist who has also laid some of his view related to theory of evaluation. Lambertism full name is Jean-Baptiste Lamberg. He proposed the morphological change occurring in the living organisms are responsible for evaluation, and the reason behind those morphological change is activities or laziness of that organism. Means what? He has only focused on the morphological changes, and he said that the morphological changes which are taking place are due to or only depend on the how the organism use that organ or how it is not using that organ. Laziness means it is not using that organ, due to which there is some changes occurs, and this is the base of his theory. And he also called this concept or principle of use or disuse of the organ. Now, for explaining his explanation, he has put on some example, like first of all he has showed the giraffe. He said that the neck of giraffe has got extended because giraffe are having the habit of browsing the leaves of the tall tree, and due to continue browsing the leaves of tall tree, the neck must be stretch out, and this was the modification, and slowly this was transferred to the next generation. And similarly, the second example he has showed that iron smith, the iron smith shoulders are very strong because they are continuously hammering the hammer or frequently hammering movement, due to which they have a strong shoulder. And third, he has told that the birds of wings like ostrich and emu are weak because they haven't used that wings, so that so their wings are not able to fly. And now he also mentioned that the feet of some or legs of some birds like swan and duck have become useful for swimming due to the living of this organism or this bird continue into the water. And also another example of snake, he told that the snake's leg are disappeared due to the ability of snake body for burrowing. So these were all examples to support his concept of use and disuse. But all these examples are types of acquired character, means these character are being acquired due to the environmental surrounding, and this acquired character are transferred from one generation to another generation, and this is called as the theory of inheritance of acquired character or Lambertism. But the development of organ due to specific activity or their degeneration due to no use at all was widely accepted, but the transfer of those characters from one generation to another generation was rejected. So people has accepted the morphological changes occurring in the organism, that is the acquired character definitely been developed due to such activity, but this character are not transferred from one generation to another generation. This was rejected because for many times it is been verified that modification brought in us are not transferred to the next generation, because this modification are due to mutation, and mutation are due to environmental surroundings. Now, due to which the Lambertism theory was disapproved, and the living organism can transfer only those characters which are being transferred or brought in by their ancestor or acquired by the ancestor. Therefore, this is called ancestry of acquired character.